The first step in fixing a non-working key fob on your 2008-2019 Subaru Outback is opening the case. These models typically have a seam that can be gently pried apart using a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to avoid damage. Insert the tool into the notch and gently twist to separate the two halves. If the case is stuck, applying heat from a hairdryer for about 30 seconds can loosen any adhesive. Once open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Carefully remove it, noting the polarity, positive side up. Corrosion from battery leakage is a common issue. If present, clean the contacts with isopropyl alcohol on a cotton swab before proceeding. With the old battery removed, install a new CR32 lithium coin battery, making sure the positive side faces up. Incorrect polarity can prevent the remote from working or even damage the circuit board. Once the new battery is in place, carefully reassemble the key fob case. Ensure the two halves snap securely together. If the case doesn't close properly, double-check the battery orientation and ensure no components are obstructing the seal. After reassembly, test the key fob's functions like lock, unlock, and panic button within 5 to 10 feet of your Outback. If the remote still doesn't work, the issue may involve the car's receiver module or a damaged fob circuit, requiring professional diagnosis. Remember, DIY battery replacement can save you $50 to $100 compared to dealership costs, but always prioritize accuracy to avoid costly repairs.